Alright, today I'm going to show you how to use an iPhone MagSafe charger to charge an iPhone. So right here is my MagSafe charger that I got from Apple, and it comes with two ends. It comes with an end for charging the iPhone, and there comes a part that is used for plugging in to the appropriate adapter that Apple recommends. Alright, so what you'll do is you'll take this part of the MagSafe charger and plug it into an adapter that is approved by Apple for MagSafe charger. You want to check your owner's manual so you know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this in. I'm actually going to plug it in to my computer. I plugged it in, and now there's power coming into it. And now with my iPhone, there's a back to it. Now, if you have a cover on, make sure that it's approved to be MagSafe cover protector, because sometimes you'll have cases or covers that are not MagSafe approved and will not stick. For instance, if you have perhaps a magnetic mount that's inserted in behind the phone or on the cover, it perhaps prevent the iPhone from being charged. But since it doesn't, I'm able to stick this onto it. And I'm going to show you how that works. So I'm going to take my iPhone and I'm going to center the MagSafe pad right here. And I'm just going to place it down just like that. And once it does that, the phone detects it and it starts charging. See that? Come up to the screen, it shows charging right there. It's at 25%. And it is growing. All right, so have that. So now it's charging. Now, say for instance you have your case on and it is not charging. What I would recommend doing is taking the case off and finding the phone. It's kind of cracked right here. And finding the center of it, placing it down, and you can see it sticks. Now you notice that the MagSafe charger is actually sticking to the phone. And it's doing this because it's a magnetic attraction between the phone and the charger that keeps it adhered while it's charging. Now this is going to charge, and when it's done charging, all you have to do is simply take your phone and just peel it away from the MagSafe charging pad. And that is how you charge an iPhone using a MagSafe charger. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.